I'm installing bar ends in this bike to protect the grips, and to do that, on the right hand side you take out the two bolts that hold the throttle cable assembly in place there, separate it, and then remove the cables from the grip end. And then on the other side, it's really easy, it's just the one screw, and then you slide it off, and then you got to punch out the end of your grips unless you bought open-ended grips. And so I didn't have the tool. Tusk makes one, but I sharpened the end of a piece of 1/2-inch conduit and made it into a punch. And basically just got to break out the plastic end and then trim it so that you don't have anything that interferes with the bar end going in. So do that on both grips. And then it's back on the bike. Route your cable, slide it on, and then snug those up. And then you get the bar end ready, slide it in, but not all the way. You want to leave just a little bit of clearance so that you can work your throttle without it grabbing. You'll also want to bring a 5mm in your kit on the trail so that if you do tip it over and you bind up your throttle, you can back it off and move the bar end out just a little bit. Same with the other side. You want to leave just a little bit of clearance so it doesn't bunch up the rubber on the end. But you can see where I slid it down a rock there, and it did its job and kept the grip intact. Appreciate you watching. I hope you like and subscribe.